Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a website by AI. Open a text editor, choose a hosting provider, and pick an AI website builder that fits your needs. Gather your content, logo, text, images, and product details. Use AI to generate layouts, headlines, and color palettes, then customize fonts and spacing. Preview on desktop and mobile, adjust SEO settings and meta descriptions, and prepare to publish when everything looks polished and functional. Use AI to create page copy, images, and layout suggestions quickly. Start with prompts that describe audience, tone, and desired actions. Iterate on drafts until headlines and CTAs feel natural. Optimize images for web, compress files, and ensure accessibility with alt text. Set up navigation, forms, and contact options. Test load times and mobile responsiveness, then refine SEO titles, meta descriptions, and structured data for choose a hosting plan that matches traffic expectations and budget, including backups and SSL. Connect your domain, set DNS records, and verify email deliverability. Implement security measures like SSL, firewalls, and regular updates. Set up analytics, error monitoring, and a /B testing for continuous improvement. Create a content schedule and plan updates for plugins, themes, and AI prompts. Engage users with newsletters and social sharing to grow traffic over time. Monitor comments and respond promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.